Good morning, children. Okay, hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Now, we are continuing that second chapter. So, in the previous class, we have discussed about what our body and different parts of our body. We have started, isn't it? So, what we have learned about five sense organs. Five sense organs, then its uses. Five sense organs, which are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin, and its uses. Okay, eyes helps us to see, ears helps us to hear, nose to smell and tongue to taste, and this skin to feel. Okay, so all these are the five sense organs. And after that, we also discussed about this mouth. Mouth means it's consisting of teeth and tongue. This teeth helps us to chew food, tongue helps us to taste and to speak also. Two purposes. To taste food and to speak. Okay. And then next is what? Neck. Neck. What's the use of neck? Neck helps us to move our head here and there. Like this. Move. Okay. And then one more thing. The main use of this neck is it connects our head with the rest of our body. Okay. And next to neck is shoulders. And this shoulders what we use to carry things like bag. Okay, and what next to shoulders is what we can see? Two hands. Okay, two hands we can see. Okay, here in your content book page number 7, one picture is there. Okay, one boy is standing, and here what we have two arms. We have two arms, and each arm having what? One elbow, has an elbow and a hand. One elbow. Elbow means here. Okay, elbow and hand. Hand means here. Okay, and our hand has 10 fingers. How many fingers we have? Just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 fingers. Okay, and we have, what is this? Yes, thumb. How many thumbs we have? 2 thumbs. Okay, so 10 fingers, and this we call it as thumbs. Okay, we have 2 thumbs. And next is, so here our hand. So what's the use of this hand? Hand. What we'll be doing? Yes, what I do now? Just take the book. So to carry or to take books like that, to hold. Okay, to hold things. Then to write. To write, to eat food. Okay, so there are different uses of hands. So this hands helps us to write, paint and hold things. Okay, I am holding this book now. So for these are the purpose of hands. And next page 8, page number 8, 3 pictures are given. So here, what are these children doing with their hands in the pictures? So in these 3 pictures, what are these children doing? What are they doing with their hands? So they are, all these things they are doing with their hands. We already said hands, we use hands for different purposes. So what are the things the children are doing? Just go through the. She is dash her food. What she is doing? What she is doing? Nearby her, what you can see? Yes, one plate of bread and jam and one glass of think milk, maybe milk or water. You can see. And what she is doing? Yes, she is eating bread. Okay, eating bread. And then next one, what the girl is doing? Yes, she has what? Guitar. Okay, and what she is doing? She is dash a guitar. What she is doing? She is playing a guitar. Isn't it? She is playing a guitar. And then last one boy sitting down. Isn't it? And what he is doing is dash his shoelaces. What he is doing? He is dash his shoelaces. What? He is tying. He is tying his shoelace. So all these are the things, or all these are the activities that we can do. By using our hands. Okay. And next, okay, we have discussed about what the upper part of our body, and here neck, and the next what hands also we have discussed. And lower part of our body. Lower part of our body means what you can see. Lower part of our body means what? Leg. What? Legs. Lower part of our body. Okay. So legs are our lower part of our body. And each leg, what we can see? Each leg, what we can see there? Knees. Okay, 2 knees. What? Knees. Okay, first one is knees, and then what? A foot. See, what picture is there? Here one boy is about to take a ball, isn't it? And here you can see knee. It's written here. K-N-E-E, knee. Okay, knee, and then what? A foot. Okay, so all these are knee, foot, and this foot is consisting of on our foot we can see, but we are not telling it as fingers. We are calling it as toes. Okay, toes. We will be calling it as toes. And then what we can see? Toes, ankle and heel. What? Ankle and heel. Okay, so on our foot, what all the things we can see? What all the parts we can see? Toes, ankle, heel. Okay. So, I will send you the pictures later. Okay. So, in your textbook, it's given what? Mainly what parts? Knee, ankle, toes. It's given in your textbook. Okay. So, you have to go through your textbook. See, after this class, what you have to do? You must go through your textbook, then only you can understand it. Okay. Next, what's the use of these legs? We have how many legs we have? We have 2 legs. What's the purpose? What's the use of these 2 legs? Yes, these 2 legs helps us to walk. Okay, these 2 legs helps us to walk. Then what? To run, and then to jump. Okay, to jump and then what? Skip and dance. What? Here, see one girl is, what she is doing with that ball? Is with using her leg. What she is doing? Yes, she is kicking. What? Kicking. Kicking the ball. And the boy, what he is doing? He is skipping. Okay, he is skipping. And then last one, what the boy is doing? He is dancing. By using legs only we can dance, no? Okay, both legs and hands, okay, is used for dance. So these are legs. So legs helps us to what? Walk, jump, run, dance, then kick. Okay, kick. Then what? Skip. Skipping. We said no? Skipping like that. Okay, so this legs helps us to walk, jump, run, dance, kick, skip, everything. Okay, so that's all in this chapter. Okay, so in this chapter we have discussed about the five sense organs, then what? The upper part of our body, neck, and then lower part of the body. Okay, now here in page number 9, what? Last A, it's given as A. Write true, T for true. Okay, for true, what you have to write? T. And for false, you have to write the F. Okay, so that we have to do. Questions I will read. Our legs are in the upper part of our body. Legs. Just remember where you can see your legs. Here it's given legs are in the upper part of our body. If it is true or false. Okay. Second question. Teeth help us to chew food. Teeth help us to chew food. True or false? Okay. Just think. Okay. Our hands help us to move our head. Our hands, this hands no, helps us to move our head. Move our head. Hands are helping. True or false? Okay. We use our legs to run, jump and walk. So by using our legs, we are walking, jumping and running. Okay, so just think. Okay, and write true or false. Okay, last one is the next page number 10. Which parts of her body is the girl using in these pictures? Okay, so first one, what the girl is doing? Well, on a table, food is kept, isn't it? And what the girl is doing? She is what? She is smelling, isn't it? Smelling it. So, which part of her body is used? Well, which part of her body is used? And one girl is moving or going upstairs. So, what she is using? Which organ or which part she is using? that also you have to think and not to write, just think upon it. I will be asking in the next class. Okay, don't write it now, just to think only. Okay, I will be asking. Okay, so that's all in this chapter. Now it's the time to wind up. See you in the next class. Okay children, thank you.